Hi, I'm going to show you today how to turn on or off testing accommodations for STAR Reading and STAR Math through the Renaissance program. Starting in Clever, we're going to find our Renaissance tile, the big R, the blue and green R. Click on it and it's going to log you in automatically to your account. Once we get in, you'll see all of the different information here. We want to come up to your actual name and then we're going to click Edit Preferences. So once you choose Edit Preferences, we're going to scroll down to Individual Student Preferences. Now there's only really two accommodations that we can provide students for STAR Reading and Math. The first one is estimated question time limits. So we can set the, we're going to extend the student's time limit for answering questions, and this accommodation is for reading and math STAR tests, so it will affect both tests. What this does is basically doubles the time for each question that the students have, the time limit for each question. So the test overall is not timed, but each question is. So for example, for a third grade student, the standard time limit for STAR Reading would be 45 seconds. This would double it, or actually it would create 135 seconds as an extended time limit. And you can find additional information regarding the accommodations in the FAQ. The second accommodation is STAR Math Audio. So this would be audio instructions for STAR Math tests. To add or remove these accommodations, simply click on the description and you want to select this little key here that says select learning units, and just kind of click on it. It's going to give you your school site, your class, and all of your students. The only students you'll be able to see are yours that are rostered to you. So simply click on the students that you want to provide this accommodation for, or you can choose all students. And once you've made your decision and selected your students, you're going to click Apply. Now it shows the settings for 3 students in your class. These 3 students pop up, and I'll go back and make sure this is removed as well. So we're going to extend question time limit for STAR Math and extend question time limit for STAR Reading. Since we're only administering the English versions of the STAR Math and Reading, these are the only accommodations that we would have access to. You could check both or just one, depending on your preference. You can even set all students to extend that time limit per question for math and for reading, and that's going to automatically check everything. Once you've had your changes correctly made, you can click Save Changes and it will go into effect. I'm going to click Undo Changes and go back to make sure none of those are actually selected, because we were just using this as a demonstration. So again, extended time limit, we're going to come in here, and none of these were saved. So we do have to do that second step. For that STAR Math Audio, we're going to come down here, select the very bottom. It's the same screen, select those learning units. So we're going to just select a few random students, click Apply, and you have to double check on this screen that this is what we're doing. And again, that Set All button is there for you to use if you have multiple students. Again, you have to choose Save Changes for this accommodation to go into effect. And here are your individual student preferences. Thanks so much.